Hey friend, this week I really did understand more and more why I love teaching oils realistically. I watch people who have never painted before paint things that they were so proud of. It all started with a little bird. Well, good morning everyone. Well, it could be evening wherever you're from. I'm Heather and I'm really excited that you're here. And we are going to start doing this beautiful little blue wren very soon. Today I want to show you what they painted because they are incredible. And I also want to tell you about a new way that we can keep painting together. So over the last 3 days, and tonight is the last of the sessions, I have been here in this seat going online on YouTube Live and teaching a bunch of people, like hundreds and hundreds of people signed up to this workshop painting this little blue wren. And it's been such a wonderful journey. I love going live because I love the community, love the engagement, and all the comments that have been coming through. It's just been really encouraging, not just encouraging to me as a presenter and, you know, doing the demonstration, but to hear the encouragement that others have felt. And it keeps reminding me how important it is that we all need connection, we all need creativity, and we need someone to cheer us on. I do, we all do. And today was an interesting day as well. Some of you may know that I sold my gallery a few weeks ago, about 3 or 4 weeks now. And soon I will be actually moving interstate. It's a huge change in my life and very excited about that journey. But it means that I can't teach in person anymore. I'm finishing up completely. I wasn't sure if I was going to come back soon, but it's going to be for at least a year I'm away. And so I'm more and more thankful that I have developed an online membership and a community, because I can actually tell my students, and you might be one of them, to stay in touch. And even if you're not real great with the internet stuff, I'd love you to give it a go, because it's a really way to stay connected. And I have had so many wonderful connections and groups online, because this is what it's all about this week. I'm actually offering some pretty special things that will go away after Friday. So I thought I'd better let you all know what that is. So Limitless, it's a name. It's taken after a painting that I painted called Limitless in the middle of a challenge that I had where I crashed into a gallery, all sorts of crazy things that were happening in my life. Yes, I had a car crash into my gallery. But Limitless was sort of like a hopeful painting for me, to think that I can think beyond what is actually happening here, that my life is limitless, my dreams are limitless, that I can do more than what I thought I could. And I love using that because it is for you too, that you can actually do more than you think you could. And the same with what we've been doing with this little bird. I've had so many emails from people saying, I never thought I could do this. Anyway, the membership is called Limitless, and that's why. And it is made up of a couple of really special times. Once a month, we actually do these little minis, and they are a fantastic way of learning skill, of learning colour, and something really easy and biteable. Is that the right word? You can take a little bites of it. It's only small. It only takes, an hour or two to do. So once a month, on the third Saturday of a month, I meet online on Zoom. So you get to talk with me at 8 a.m. in Australia, Melbourne time. And it is just such a special time. So you can also do the pictures if, I do them on this size here. But you can actually do them on a larger square. As long as it's square, you can do them bigger if you want to. A lot of my students are trying to build a wall, just like I have, of many of these, and they'll be with me for years, I think, which will be a lot of fun. But one of the other main things is every week, aside from when I'm shifting and doing a few things, yes, life brings moments like that, most weeks of the year, I will be online on a Thursday, Melbourne time, 6:30 p.m, Melbourne, Australia, and you get to come on for an hour and just ask me questions. It's a free time to be able to come. It's like you can bring any questions or any piece of artwork, or even sit there and paint and chat with me. Usually it's a small group, and if it gets big, we'll make it into 2 groups, because I want to be able to connect with you and make it a space available for you. So, because I know you need a little bit of encouragement, and I do too, you know, with other things that I'm working on, we all need that. So we are so excited about this. This is an additional thing to what we've had before. Before it was only the little minis. So the big drum roll for what we're actually offering this week, a half-hour session just with me, one-on-one, to talk about whatever you need to relating to creativity and painting. For me, I've bought a gallery, run a gallery, sold a gallery, done creative retreats, built creative schools, big arts conferences. I've sold my own paintings and I paint realistically, all sorts of things I've done, and I actually love lots of different sorts of creativity. So if you have some dreams that you want to step into, and as I'm smiling, I'm like, there's a dream I'm about to step into, which I will tell you about next week or the week after. I'm very keen to help you get to your dreams. And there's certain things that I do to help me focus and know that I'm in the right direction. I want to help you with that. So you can, if you sign up to paintingwithheather.com/limitless, and there's a link below as well, if you do that before March the 13th, which is just this Friday, you will get that for free, just thrown in. And oh my goodness, it's so cheap to come to the membership. I've made it cheap enough that it's almost not a question for you to do this. It's like one coffee a week. That's all it costs you if you're into coffee. I don't know what else is worth about $7 or $8 Australian, or something that you've been wanting to give up, and this is a moment where you can actually do that. Imagine having someone like me to be able to talk with you each week, to connect with, once a month, and connect with other people around the world and hear what their questions are. You get all of the replays, you get all of them on a website where you can go in and watch them, and watch the replays back and take it all in your own time. And I've worked really hard at making this membership not overwhelming, and it's just for you. You can take it at your own speed. Like we did with this, there's numbers of people who are watching it, during this week so that they can take their time with it. I wasn't going to push everyone to have to be live, although I'm so glad many people did. So if you have been waiting for someone to help you with your painting with oils, with your creativity, and just hanging out with people that really understand you, like us arty lot, we are our own breed, really, I'd love you to join me. You can go to paintingwithheather.com/limitless and check it out. There's lots more chatter from me there in some videos, and lots of information to help you know really clearly what you're stepping into. And you do not have to stay in it. Once you sign up, it's not like you're stuck there for life. You can always unsubscribe. You can always cancel your subscription, and that's easy. So you can either email me or you can actually go in and do it yourself. I'd really love you to join me. And I'm not actually just doing this to be full-on marketing Heather, because I'm not a marketing Heather. I'm not very good at this stuff or being behind the camera. But I know how much painting has affected me and how it's helped me in my life, in my mental health journey, and in finding some calm. Even in the midst of all of this packing up around me, if I turned the camera around, you would see boxes and all sorts of things. I'm loving just spending some time, enjoying this process of painting, and it just takes me to a place that brings me some calm and stops my mind racing, because there's a lot to do and a lot to manage at the moment. So if you're looking for something like that, come and join me. If you're not, keep watching my YouTubes and I'll enjoy your comments as well. So until next time, have a good week, but do know that this special with the one-on-one is probably only going to be available for another 24 hours after this video goes out. So just check the website and see how that's all going. But it will cut off at midnight on the 13th of March, Australian Melbourne time. So just check that out. But I would love to be able to meet with you one-on-one. Until next time, have a great week, and I look forward to sharing with you some really exciting news very soon.